6 years ago today, 48 states and 2 territories came together to create a plan to implement new standards in education. These standards are called Common Core standards. Now, these standards are supposed to help students be able to learn at the same pace and learn all the same curriculum in one class. Didn't really work that way though. Most students learn and have learned their whole life to learn the way they are most successful. Now, Common Core didn't take that into consideration. They just thought that they could put every student in one class with a bunch of other students and learn exactly the same way and think that everyone's going to be successful, but that's not true. Now, Common Core didn't just create a plan to teach students the same thing in 1 year, like geometry, algebra, and algebra 2 in 1 year. It also taught them, which I think personally is not very smart, how to take a test. Now, they say high school is supposed to prepare you for college and the workplace, and Common Core is supposed to enhance that. Now, tell me, in life, do all you do is take a test? No. So why is Common Core just teaching students how to take test after test after test? They're not only teaching them how to take tests, they're using them as guinea pigs for their tests. They implement them in the middle of everyone's academic career on how they already learned to learn and are already being successful, and taught them to take tests and made them take tests that they hadn't even perfected yet. Now, I think this is wrong. Who wants to take tests their whole life? No one.
So just about a year ago, 20,000 students opted out of the Smarter Balanced Assessment Test, which was the first test that Common Core gave out to test. The reason why they opted out of the test was because they didn't like the idea of Common Core. And I agreed with that, because the reason why they gave that test out is so that people who can't test as well get easier questions. Likewise, the people who can test well get harder questions, but that's just because they know what they're talking about. So you're probably thinking, how are 2 high school kids gonna figure out how to express their concerns about Common Core? Well, there's one complete easy answer. A protest. Or a petition. Yeah, let's do a petition. 1 signature is all it takes to show other people's concern. Because I bet you, it's not just the 2 of us that are having concerns with Common Core.